What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to learn something really cool. This is a series for Heartland POS system. So this is a POS system, point of sale system, that can be run at restaurants, in retail stores, and all kind of different setups and locations. And it's really neat, actually. A request came across to build a Power BI dashboard, and I was like, okay, let's look at the API. Have a really good API, and they have a really cool platform. So we'll be going over all the API endpoints to give you a little deeper dive into what's available, and it might spur your development. So let's get to it. Jumping right in, we can see the API Swagger documents. This is really good that Heartland has decided to make this available, because not all API developers have great Swagger documentation, and it makes it a pain to import into Postman or whatever your API software is, right? So you'll open this up, and we can see this is the entire definition for the API. So from there, you can import this into Postman, and the way to do that is you press import here, and then you paste that Swagger document URL into Postman, and this will bring it into this nice, neat file structure. So you'll see everything is here, and in the subsequent videos in this series, we'll go through sort of how to interact with the API and what each of the endpoints do. So let's go. So on the front end, we have display formats. So we can go into the API. We see set up display formats here. We see we have display formats here. So what is this? This is just a setup about the format that you would see on the tablet, right? That you're running the POS on. And so you have all these different settings here. You can kind of set everything, and you'll be able to see those adjustments on the front end. And you can see we have one for the grill and one for the just different parameters in the restaurant. So you could set up a display effectively for each part of the restaurant. The cool part is you can see that here. If we make the API call to set up displays, you have a Boolean here and showDeleted and false. So we get everything back that hasn't been deleted, and we have our formats right here. Pretty straightforward on the display formats.